guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, wear it in June.
ABC, come sing with me. Phonics fun for you and me. Letter sounds loud and clear. Let's learn them all, no need to fear.
I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jelly, wobbly and bright. K is for kite, flying up high. L is for lion, roaring nearby.
Clap your hands, stomp your feet. Phonics makes learning sweet. Sing along, don't be shy. Let's go through them one more time.
M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for nest, safe on the ground.